Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Rectangle ABCD is similar to rectangle WXYZ. The area of rectangle ABCD is 486 square units and the area of rectangle WXYZ is 54 square units. The length of the longest side of rectangle ABCD is 27 units. What is the length in units of the longest side of rectangle WXYZ? Since we have the area for both the rectangles, we can find the ratio of the areas of two rectangles. Okay, now let me write the area of a rectangle ABCD in numerator and area of rectangle WXYZ in denominator. And the area of rectangle ABCD is 486 and the area of the rectangle WXYZ is 54. We can use Desmos to get the simplified form of this fraction. When I do so, I am getting 9 over 1. Okay, here I got the ratio of the areas of two rectangles. From this ratio, I can get the ratio of the longest sides of the two rectangles. That is the longest side of a rectangle ABCD and the longest side of the rectangle WXYZ. We know that area is a measure in square unit. Since this is a ratio of areas of two rectangles, we have these two quantities in square units. And the length of the side of a rectangle is a linear unit. So we'll have these two quantities in linear units. Now to get the ratio of the longest sides of the two rectangles, we have to convert these two quantities to linear units. Already they are square units. Now to convert the square units to linear units, we have to take a square root for both the quantities over here. Then I'm getting square root of 9 divided by square root of 1. And the square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 1 is just 1. Here I got the ratio of the longest sides of the two rectangles. Now, from the terms of this ratio, if I want to get the longest sides of the two rectangles, I have to multiply both the terms of this ratio by the same non-zero number, say x. When I multiply this 3 by x, I am getting 3x, and when I multiply this 1 by x, I am getting x. So this 3x gives the longest side of the rectangle ABCD, and this x gives the longest side of the rectangle WXYZ. Already we have the longest side of rectangle ABCD, that is 27. So this 3x and 27, both of them represent the same stuff. That is the longest side of the rectangle ABCD. We can equate them. That is 3x equals to 27. Let's divide both sides of this equation by 3. Then 3 will cancel out. We get x on the left side. On the right side, when I divide 27 by 3, I'm getting 9. Already we know that this x gives the longest side of the rectangle WXYZ. So here I got the longest side of the rectangle WXYZ, that is 9 units.